Hello बच्चों, the question says here the kinetic theory of a gases explains the behavior of an ideal gas. Option B describes the motion of the single atom of a molecule. Option C relates to the temperature of the gases, kinetic energy of the atom. All of these. Option D, all of these. Here सबसे पहले we need to understand the key concept here. The key concept is kinetic theory of the gases is going to explain here the postulates. There are some postulates of the kinetic energy, a kinetic theory of the gaseous, kinetic theory of a gas. There are the postulates of the kinetic theory of the gas. There is no force of attraction between them. The molecules exert a pressure on the wall. Kinetic energy is due to the random movement of the atom. So kinetic energy is a random movement of the atom, but the average kinetic energy of the molecule is different from the different temperature. Now, free movement of the molecule results in the collision perfectly elastic. These are the postulates of kinetic theory, जो आपको explain करता है कि ideal gas. Kinetic theory explains that based upon the ideal gas consists of the rapidly moving atom. Ideal gas consists of rapidly moving atoms. So it explains the ideal gas. Also, it explains the behavior of a single atom here. It a single atom or a single molecule is always in the random motion. Atom और अब molecule अगर बोलते हो तो ये always random motion में होता है. Always in the random motion. And you have one more postulate, that is the temperature, that is the temperature is due to the kinetic energy. Molecule have a kinetic energy due to the random movement. Molecule के पास kinetic energy होती है. क्यों? Molecule have a kinetic energy due to random motion. Due to random motion. एंड इस काइनेटिक एनर्जी की वजह से काइनेटिक एनर्जी, एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी differs with the temperature. It means temperature is also going to be explained in the kinetic theory. So मोशन भी बताया गया है ऑब्जेक्ट का और एटम्स का और मॉलिक्यूल्स का, और इसने रिलेट किया है काइनेटिक एनर्जी का with respect to the temperature. So all of these all statement are correct in the postulates. You will find these all the question for these points. So all of the above are explained in the kinetic theory. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.